Let's talk about gold loan. As Indians, we all love gold. We have gold jewelry, we have coins and bars at home. And if you are someone who's looking for a short-term loan, which is not a personal loan, because looking at the rising interest rate scenario, one might want to avoid taking personal loan. Gold loan is the answer for you if you are in dire need of money. First of all, this is treated as secured loans. Second, it's very easy to avail. In almost 30 minutes, you can get a gold loan on you. The interest rate on gold loan ranges from 8 to 18%. The loan tenure is from say 6 months to 24 months, and it can also go up to 36 months depending on the financial institution you're taking the loan from. Could be banks or any NBFC. What you have to do is just keep in mind the repayment strategy. So once you give your gold as a collateral, the purity and the weight of your gold will be checked, and banks are allowed to give the financial institutions are allowed to give almost 75 to 90% of the loan, depending on the entire value of the gold that comes out after assessing. Also, if you are someone who doesn't have a good credit score, now this is a very important point, because if you have a low credit score, you might not be able to take personal loans. So that's when you can actually offer a gold loan, short-term loan, and you have a quick repayment strategy. Also, if you have a poor credit score, gold loan is the answer for you. But then just make sure that you also have a repayment strategy. The amount can range from anywhere between 5,000 to 2 crores, depending on the kind of value the gold has after assessment, and almost 75 to 90% of it can be taken as a gold loan.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.